tried really hard. Okay, if I were to give you one guess as to what I was doing just now, right now, what am I doing? Like, okay, I'm taking a break from something. What am I taking a break from doing? You're wrong. Studying. Oh, that was a fail. I can't burp and say names at the same time. I can't. I'm so scared. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I can't do it. I can't. I don't know why. I can do A. B. I can't do B. I can't. Verriosos. That's as good as it's gonna get. It's not gonna get any better than that from me. I am so sad. I am really sad. I want to go home. I'm trying to find a song that'll make me happy. Oh my god, no.
Told me when I was hatched, act like a superstar. Save your allowance, buy a bubble dress, and someday you will go far. I'll poke your eye out with a dress like this. Back off and enjoy the show.
I don't know what to look at. Oh, that's a good one. I like it. You're not in it for some reason. I don't know. It only showed me. It didn't show you. Ah! Yeah, calculator head. Ah, yeah. That was funny. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore.